welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have decorated a table for two for Juneteenth. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Juneteenth Tablescape Collab. This is being hosted by Melinda from All Things Home on a Budget. She does have some special guests, so she has Joy from Joyful Design, and she has myself, Anna, from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now I had set the centerpiece with these beautiful ginger jars that I've used in a previous video. I surrounded it with all of this greenery because the place setting is in a safari theme. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels, and I will be linking those down below in the description box. Now, as in all collaborations, we always follow YouTube etiquette. Alright, so I do want to take a moment and say happy Juneteenth. Today we honor freedom, resilience, and the enduring hope that unites us. May we remember the sacrifices of those who came before us and continue to pursue justice, unity, and love for all. Now in 2 Corinthians 3:17 in the King James Version, it reads, "Where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is liberty." Amen. Now these wine glasses, I purchased this at Walmart. That was a beautiful buy. Okay, so this water glass right here was a thrifted item from the Goodwill. Now we move on over to the safari plates, which were thrifted as well from the Goodwill. I went ahead and wrapped that dinner plate with an additional napkin. Okay. Now here is the dinner plate. We move on over to the charger, which I purchased at Hobby Lobby. So we have the flatware. The flatware came from Home Goods as well. And then we'll take a closer look at the woven placemat. Okay, so we're going to take a moment here and layer this back. Now, I'm loving the way this whole place setting turned out, especially those ginger jars and all of the greenery. And I used everything to put this together from my stash. So I hope that you're enjoying the video. Here we are at the reveal. Once again, I hope you have a beautiful day today. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.